Hello and welcome back to another session on UCCX administration and scripting series. In today's session, we are going to take a look at how we can capture the caller data and present this information to contact center agent before the call gets connected to the agent. This way, we enable the agent to be prepared with the necessary information to assist the customer who is calling in. Let me give you an example where this technique is extensively used. You might have experienced a situation where you call into a banking system contact center or any other contact center where you are not asked of any information like your account number or any other unique identification number. Instead, they might be giving you the last four digits of your account number for verification, right? The other variant of the system is when you call from a non-registered mobile number, then you will be asked by the IVR system to provide your registered mobile number or to input any other unique identification number like account number before you can talk to the agent. In today's session, we are going to explore how we can achieve this technique using UCCX scripting. For the demonstration, we will open up the simple queuing script from the template repository and we will edit to meet the specific requirement of this session. We'll go to File, Open, Scripts, Templates, Queuing. We'll open up simple queuing.aef. We'll expand it. Now we have opened the simple queuing template. And let me quickly walk you through the flow of this script. Here we have the start step, which is an obvious step. And then there's an accept statement, which accepts the call. And here, the next step, we have a play prompt, which essentially play a prompt to the user as a part of the welcome greeting. And the next step is the select resources. Let me click on the properties of this one. And here you can see the routing target type is contact service queue. So the moment the control comes to this select resource step, it will be pointing to the contact service queue, which is defined in the UCCX administration page. Let me quickly take you to the administration page as well. App admin, login, application management, CSA. Here we'll be having an option to select the CSQ. We click on CSQ and give the CSQ name. That's how we define the CSQ in the script. And here we have the CSQ target. Here we have mentioned the CSQ. Now we'll simply click apply and click OK. Within the select resource, we have connected and queued, and we can expand the queued as well. So if all agents are busy at the moment, how the logic is going to happen for the queued call. And finally, we have an end statement. The logic what we are going to apply in this script is we are going to capture the calling number of the user and we are going to present that particular calling number to the call center agent before the calls get connected. In order to capture the calling number, we'll have to utilize the call contact section here, and we'll expand here and we will select the get call contact info and we'll place it on top of accept. And we will click on properties, and here we have the variables, the things that we can capture once we accept the call. We can capture the calling number, call number, arrival type, last redirect number, original call number, and dialed number. So what we are going to do is, in this case, we will be capturing the calling number. For that, we are going to need a variable. We will define the variable in the first place. We'll click on cancel here. We'll click new variable, select type string, name, calling number. We'll give null value. Now we will click on properties, calling number, click on set, calling number, apply, OK, apply, OK. Now we have captured the calling number. The next thing that we need to do is we'll have to present this calling number to the call center agent before the calls get connected. So the call is getting connected here in the select resource step. We need to change one parameter here so that here we will be changing from connected to the selected state. So we will click on select resources, click on properties. Here you can see this parameter connect is in the radio button yes, so we will click on no. So apply, okay. Now the option changed from connected to selected. Now what we have to do is we have to use the set enterprise call info and place it on top of selected. We'll click on properties. Now we'll click on add and we will select that calling number as the value to be presented to the call center agent. We'll select calling number and we'll select the call peripheral variable to 1. If you scroll down, you can see we have options for 10 variables. Now we will select the first call variable and click OK. Apply. Okay. Now we have to add one more statement here. We will have to go for the connect statement as well, because we changed the connect statement to the selected stage. Now we are missing the connect state, so we will add the connect as well. So we'll go to ACD, we'll click on expand, we'll select the connect and place it on top of the set enterprise call info. Now we have the connect statement, we have the connected state as well. Let's click on the properties of the connect statement, properties, select the resource, click apply, okay. Now the logic is complete. You can clearly see that this is not a production level script. This is just for demonstration. We can add much more here in the connected and failed, and we can add much more prompt and give user a goodbye message and stuff, which we have demonstrated in other episode of this series. You can go through that. So now for the sake of demonstration, we'll go for tools and validate the script. The validation is succeeded. Click on OK. We'll go to files, save as, and we will select the default repository, documents, UCCX scripts, and we will name it as set enterprise call info. Set enterprise. We'll click save. Now we will go to UCCX application, script management, upload scripts, browse, set enterprise.aef, open, upload, return to script management. To copy the CSQ name, we will go to RMCM, contact service queues, skill based, we will select this CSQ name and we will go to application, application management, CSA, and we will select the set enterprise.aef. Now here we will click on checkbox and we'll paste the CSQ name, click update, click on update one more time. Now the script is ready. We will give a test call here. So we will log in the Finis agent 8445 agent user 1, sign in. Let's make the status to ready, and this is the agent user 1. Now we'll give a test score from here. So what we are expecting here is we should be able to see the calling number of the agent user 2 in the Finis agent desktop as a call variable. So let's give a test call here.
Thank you for
Now now we are seeing the call variable presented here. Let's answer. Now you can also see the call variable here. So now the script is working as expected. What we can do is we can do a reactive debugging as well for this particular call. So we will click on debug, reactive script, and we will select the set enterprise of script, select, and we'll select 60 seconds. Click on OK. I'll give another test call. Now it is ringing. We will do the step over. Now you can watch on this particular variable where we will be populating the calling number. If I click on next after the accept, and if I click one more time, here the calling number will be populated. This is the data that we are going to present to the call center agent on this particular step. So that's what we are doing. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be uploading more videos like this in coming days. So hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more updates on our posts. Thank you for watching.